Right here, we're touring the Larimar model of Taylor Morrison. This is gonna be in Leander in the Travisso community. So if you are wanting to build this specific model, reach out to me as I've already got several of clients right here in the same community. That being said, let's go ahead and check out this model. One thing that I love about this model is as soon as you enter, you're open to high ceilings and you're here in the dining, and on your left hand side is your study room. I'm going to be giving you an honest opinion on these model home tours that I'm doing, what I love and what I don't love. Obviously the high ceiling is one thing that I love about this model home. Other thing that I really don't like is the staircase coming in right here as soon as you enter. I feel like that's just a big obstacle that's coming in my way when I'm going into the main dining and the family room right there. So that's something that I would not want in my home, but you know, it's different for everybody's lifestyle and needs. Another thing that I like about this model home is that it's very open. You can do the dining entertainment right there while you're cooking and also entertain your family in the living space over there. I do love this bathroom, the way they have the layout, but I do feel it's a little bit more congested because of the tub being just out here. And then for shower, I wish they would have added a sitting chair right here. I know they have one in there, but actually inside the shower, because I know a lot of my clients prefer that. So that's one thing I wish they would have added in this home model. This home obviously offers a cozy feeling. Yes, this is a smaller home. This is why you're a little bit more comfortable in the space. You're not too spread apart. So if you're looking for a smaller size, but yet open floor plan with high ceilings, this is a wonderful model for you to look into. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this model home and what it offers. Obviously, it's on a smaller scale, but for some of you, if you're a first-time home buyer, it might be an ideal home for you guys. Again, if you need more information, reach out to me. But if you want to learn about Leander and what it has to offer, make sure you watch this video next.